Number one, the little horn rises after the 10 horns are there. So we know when the little horn is going to arise. It has to arise after the 10 horns are complete, after the Roman Empire is divided, in other words. Characteristic number two, we know that the little horn must be a power that rises in Western Europe, more specifically in Rome. You say, why in Rome? Because the fourth beast represents Rome, and the little horn rises from the head of the fourth beast. So the little horn, in some sense, must be Roman. It rises in Western Europe, more specifically in Rome. The third characteristic is that the little horn uproots 3 of the 10 horns. So we must look to a historical occurrence where the little horn uprooted 3 of the divisions of the Roman Empire. The last 4 characteristics are found in Daniel 7, verse 25. We find there in that verse the following words: He shall speak pompous words against the Most High. That's characteristic number 4. The pompous words are defined in Revelation 13, which we will study tomorrow, Lord willing, is defined as blasphemies. The great words or the pompous words are blasphemies. So the fourth characteristic is that the little horn speaks blasphemies. The fifth characteristic is expressed in verse 25. Once again, he shall speak pompous words against the Most High, shall persecute the saints of the Most High. That's characteristic number 5. It would be a power that would persecute God's faithful people. And then we have characteristic number 6. It says about the little horn, and he shall intend to change times and law. In other words, this would be a power that would think that it could have the capacity and the power to change God's very law. And the final characteristic is that this little horn was going to rule for a certain period of time. It says at the end of verse 25, then the saints shall be given into his hand for a time and times and half a time. And so we have these 7 characteristics of the little horn, and now we want to take a look at which power fulfills these 7 characteristics.